Several major airports have begun pilot programs with enhanced radar and infrared detection systems designed specifically to identify unconventional aerial objects. Los Angeles International Airport, Chicago O'Hare International Airport, and Denver International Airport are testing sophisticated sensor arrays that combine advanced radar technology with infrared detection capabilities. These systems operate continuously, scanning airspace for objects exhibiting unusual flight characteristics that conventional radar might miss. The detection systems use multispectral sensors that can identify objects invisible to standard radar equipment. Infrared components detect heat signatures from objects that might not reflect radio waves effectively. Electromagnetic sensors monitor for unusual energy emissions that could indicate exotic propulsion systems. The combined data feeds into artificial intelligence algorithms that analyze flight patterns and identify objects behaving outside normal aircraft parameters. Commercial airline executives receive classified briefings about potential threats to aviation safety from UAP encounters. These briefings occur monthly at secure facilities in Washington, D.C. and cover recent incident reports, analysis of object capabilities, and recommended safety protocols. United Airlines CEO Scott Kirby attended his first classified briefing in September 2024. Delta Airlines, American Airlines, and Southwest Airlines executives participate in similar sessions with government officials. The briefings include detailed analysis of UAP encounters affecting specific airline routes and aircraft types. Officials present radar data, pilot testimonies, and photographic evidence collected during incidents. Airlines receive recommendations for crew training modifications and operational procedure updates. The government also shares intelligence about geographic areas experiencing elevated UAP activity levels. Military personnel are embedded within civilian air traffic control centers at major airports to monitor UAP activity in real time. These specialists work alongside civilian controllers during standard operations, but activate enhanced protocols when unidentified objects appear on radar screens. The embedded personnel have direct communication links to ARO headquarters and regional military command centers. Technical Sergeant Maria Rodriguez monitors UAP activity from the control tower at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. She coordinates with civilian controllers when unusual radar contacts appear in controlled airspace. Rodriguez can request military aircraft intercepts and activate specialized tracking equipment when UAP encounters occur. Similar positions are staffed at air traffic control facilities in Los Angeles, Chicago, New York, Atlanta, and Seattle. New rapid response protocols activate automatically when UAPs are detected near commercial aircraft. Controllers immediately notify airline operations centers and provide pilots with recommended course adjustments to maintain safe separation distances. Military aircraft on standby alert can scramble within 15 minutes to investigate unidentified objects in commercial airspace. The protocols include specific communication procedures and coordination between civilian and military authorities. AARO established specialized UAP investigation teams at key airports including Los Angeles International, Chicago O'Hare, and John F. Kennedy International. These teams respond immediately to UAP incidents involving commercial flights. Each team includes military investigators, civilian aviation experts, and technical specialists trained in evidence collection and witness interviews. The teams have access to portable detection equipment and secure communication systems for reporting findings to AARO headquarters. The investigation teams coordinate with airport security, airline personnel, and local law enforcement during active incidents. They interview pilots and air traffic controllers within hours of UAP encounters to collect detailed testimonies while events remain fresh in witnesses' memories. The teams also analyze radar data, review security camera footage, and collect physical evidence when available. Cooperation between NASA, the Federal Aviation Administration, and Pentagon officials on UAP research has expanded significantly during 2024. NASA contributes satellite tracking capabilities and atmospheric analysis expertise to UAP investigations. The space agency's Deep Space Network can track objects exhibiting unusual orbital characteristics. NASA also provides scientific analysis of UAP propulsion signatures and energy emissions. The FAA shares commercial aviation data with AARO investigators, including flight path information, radar recordings, and pilot reports. Agency officials participate in joint analysis sessions where government scientists examine UAP encounters for patterns and technical characteristics. The FAA also modifies air traffic control procedures based on AARO recommendations for managing UAP incidents safely. The government's approach has shifted dramatically from denial to active investigation and comprehensive threat assessment. Pentagon officials now acknowledge publicly that some UAP encounters involve objects demonstrating capabilities beyond current human technology. This represents a complete reversal from decades of official policy that dismissed UAP reports as misidentifications or hoaxes. AARO publishes regular reports documenting UAP encounters and investigation findings. These reports acknowledge that a significant percentage of incidents remain unexplained after thorough analysis. Government officials testify before Congress about UAP investigation, progress and resource requirements. The shift reflects growing recognition that UAP encounters pose legitimate national security concerns requiring serious scientific investigation. Defense contractors are developing specialized radar systems optimized for tracking objects with unusual flight characteristics. These systems use frequencies and detection algorithms specifically designed to identify craft that might evade conventional radar. Prototype systems underwent testing at military installations during 2024 before deployment to civilian airports and air traffic control facilities. The Pentagon has established secure communication networks for sharing UAP intelligence among government agencies and allied nations. These networks enable real-time coordination during active UAP incidents and facilitate sharing of technical analysis data. International partners contribute their own UAP encounter reports and investigation findings through these classified channels.